Hi guys, here we are at Beckingham level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Golden Minecart. That's a long amber light timer.
Oh, I thought he was going to hangman then.
Get back a bit.
Come on, focus camera. There.
There we go. Now, the time is
17:27.
Yep, 17:27 on Friday the 30th of October 2004.
Delayed 17:19.
Yeah.
Echo 88. GBRF service from Middleton Towers to Bull Gasworks.
Yep, this is for your slightly delayed. 17:19, 6 Echo 88. Great British Rail Freight service from Middleton Towers to Gould Glassworks, expected past 31. That was a pretty long amber light timer, wasn't it?
Yeah. It was like 5 seconds or so.
Yeah. It's a lot longer than usual crossings.
You see the headlight? I can't. Right, got green over there. Joe, green behind you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cheers.
Here she is.
Here she comes.
When it's a signal box, don't put your barrier on the iPad on the barrier. It confuses the person. You can do an AHBs and crossings with no signal boxes next to it, but not when there's a signal box near the crossing.
That's me.
Because people see you and then can shout at you from their box. You don't want to do one.
Like, you just did whatever its name.
Like offered.
Yeah, offered Clooney level
Clooney,
crossing.
yes, we've been there.
Yeah, you've got in trouble with that. Right, here she is. We've got. Oh god. I better cover my ears in case she toots.
She won't. There's a 20-mile-an-hour sign, but there's no whistle boards. These trains run 3 days a week: Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Right, we've got.
It won't pip up, mate. Don't worry.
Oh,
If it does, then it'll be to sell her to us or something.
What?
66, 711. Whatever that was. It was 31. 731 to Gould. And
What was the number?
they go 6731.
6731.
66731.
66731 to
Gould.
There they go.
That's guys, next video.